Welcome back to the WordPress Basics series. In the last video, we've talked about what pages are and how to create them. But today, we're shifting our focus to other key part of WordPress, that is post. If you want to share blog updates, news, and articles, this is what you will be using. And the best part, creating and customizing posts in WordPress is super easy. But before we dive in, let's quickly clear up a common question. What's the difference between posts and pages? Pages are static, they don't change often. They are used for important sections like your home page, about us page, or contact us page. Posts, on the other hand, are dynamic and they are meant to be updated regularly. They are used for blog updates, news, and articles. Think of them as a website diary. They also appear in a chronological order. That means that your latest post shows up first. If you have missed my video on how to create and edit a page in WordPress, make sure to check it out. Alright, now let's see how WordPress posts work. So to get started, simply go to your WordPress dashboard. Select Post from the dashboard menu you can find on the left hand side. Click on it and this will take you to the post section where all your blog posts are listed. Right now, I only have one post since I'm just getting started, but let's go ahead and create a brand new one. Before we do that, let me quickly walk you through some important options here. Here we have Publish tab that shows all the posts that are live on your website. Then there is this Drafts tab that holds posts you're working on but haven't published yet. I don't have any drafts at the moment, but once you do, it will show up here. These tabs make it super easy to stay organized, so you don't have to scroll to a long list of posts just to find what you need. Pretty useful, right? And finally, there's the Trash tab where all your deleted posts go. If you ever delete a post by mistake, you can always restore it from here. It's got your back. In the top right corner, there's a search bar that makes it easy to find a specific post. Just type a few letters and WordPress will narrow down the results instantly. I only have one post for now, so it's not that handy yet. But once you have more, it will save you a ton of time. Now, when I hover over already created posts, you will see four options appear. Edit, that opens the full editor to update your content. Next, we have Quick Edit, that makes quick changes like title, flags, status, or categories without opening the full editor. Trash deletes the post if you don't need it anymore. View, check how your posts look. There's not that much of a content. I just created it to see how it works. Alright, to create a post, click Add New to open the WordPress blog editor, that is Gutenberg. Now here we will create our brand new post. First, add a title for the blog. I'm going to create a blog for morning walk, so I'm going to write the benefits of morning walk as my title. Below the title, you will see a blank space where you can start adding text or use blocks. In WordPress, everything is made up of blocks, text, images, buttons, everything. Click on this plus icon and it will display the 6 most used blocks. Or just hit the browse button for more options where you can find blogs for almost everything, and it also includes pre-designed patterns if you don't want to create from scratch, and media elements. You can also access the blog inserter menu by clicking the blue plus icon at the top left. Now, when creating a blog post, there are a few key things you usually add. A title that I have already added, an image, content, and a comment section. These elements make your post more structured and engaging for readers. So I'm going to insert the paragraph block, pasting the text. Now that I have added my text, let's look at some block editor features. At the top, you will see which block you're currently working with. Right now, it's a paragraph block. I can also align my text left, center, right. Need to highlight something? You can make the text bold like this, make it italicized, or even add a hyperlink. There's also a drop-down menu with more text options like inline code, strike through, subscript, and a few others. Just select the option you want and it's done. If I mess up, I can always undo or redo my changes from here. It's really easy. And from these three vertical dots, you can copy, duplicate blocks, and a lot more to do here. Next, let's add an image to the post. Having visuals in your blog is super important. If your post is just text heavy, people might scroll away before even reading it. And we surely don't want that to happen. Simply clicking on this plus button, inserting the image block. You can upload it from your computer, select from media library, or insert one directly from the web by pasting its URL. I have some images stored in my media library, so selecting from there. Let's select this image and insert. Perfect. The image is done, and let's add some more details. A heading. Just click on the screen and you will see the plus icon appear. Click on it to insert a block just like I did here. A paragraph. Adding a list block to display my list. I will just paste in a few bullet points. Let's quickly get this done. If you have a video tutorial related to your post, you can embed it here as well. And it's super useful for engagement. Just search for a YouTube blog, paste a YouTube link, and hit on this embed button. Simple as that. It was just to give you guys an idea, so deleting it. If I ever want to quickly check which blogs I have used, I can open the list view, a super handy feature. Plus, I can drag and drop blogs directly from here. So this is how you can use it. So our blog post is ready. Now let's check out some important post settings on the right hand side. Clicking on this layout icon, and here we have this post and blog option. In the post, the first thing we can see is the title of our blog. Next is the feature image. This sets a main image for your post and it will appear wherever your post is shared. Let's upload one, select it, and set as featured image. Next we have the excerpt option. So excerpt is basically a short summary that appears on your blog archive page, giving readers a quick idea of what your post is about. Pasting it. Ideally, it should be between 30 to 60 words, just enough to grab attention without giving away everything. If you don't add an excerpt, WordPress will automatically use the first few lines of your post. Now this excerpt will be visible whenever my blog posts are listed. Next, you can see the total word count of this blog and estimated reading time. So next we have is status and visibility. This shows whether the post is saved as draft. Pending, that means waiting to be reviewed before publishing. Private, not live to the website visitors. Scheduled, published, or password protected. The one feature that I really like is the sticky option. If you want this post to stay at the top, enable this feature. Since posts are dynamic and shows the latest first, this ensures your chosen post remains pinned at the top. Next, we have the URL or permalinks. Permalinks are basically the web addresses of your website's page and post. They decide how your link appears to visitors in search engine. By default, WordPress generates it based on your title, but you can edit it to make it shorter and more SEO friendly. For example, right now my post link is displayed as the benefits of morning walks. It's clean and relevant, which is great for search engines and visitors. If you want to change it, just click on the permalink and enter a new concise version. But remember, once your post is published and shared, changing the link might break existing links to your post. So make sure that doesn't happen. Then the author of the post. If multiple people write on your site, you can select an author from the drop-down menu. I only have one author right now and that is me, so selecting it. Next, the discussion tab. That is basically the comments tab. It is set to open by default. That means visitors can comment on your post. And if you don't want it, just select the closed option. Next, enable ping bags and trackbacks. These let you see when other websites link to your post. Most people don't use this anymore since they're mostly targeted by spam. You can select the format for the post from here. Next, we have categories and tags, which are super important for organizing your post and helping users find the content they are interested in. Categories are broad topics that help group similar posts together. Tags, on the other hand, are more specific, kind of like hashtags. You can either select an existing category, like this blog, or create a new one by clicking Add New Category. The same goes for tags. Just add relevant keywords to help users and search engine find your content more easily. Keep your tags short, 1 to 2 words are more than enough. Separate them with a comma and limit them 10 to 15 per post for the best results. So these were the post settings. Now let's have a look at the blog. The blog will display all the settings for the specific blog that you have currently selected or working on. Okay, let's select this paragraph blog. You can change the text color, background color from here, style it with typography, what size, appearance, and more. Drop cap where the first letter appears capital. You can set the size by selecting these options, or you can set it manually. Perfect. These settings will be different depending on the type of blog you're using. For example, it will be different for images, like here I have width, height, resolution and all, unlike the paragraph blog. These options are pretty easy to use. You might find it a bit difficult at start, but once you start designing with it, you will realize it's actually not that bad. Before publishing, I can preview how my post looks on desktop, tablets, and mobile, or preview it in a new tab. So this is our featured image. If I'm still working on it but not ready to publish it, I can save it as a draft, and once I'm happy with everything, just hit the publish button. Here again we've got this visibility option and the scheduling option. Alright, let's publish it now. And boom, it's live. Since we enabled the comment section, you can see the comments tab right here. So this is how you can create and edit a post in WordPress. By default, WordPress displays your latest post on the home page. To check or change the setting, go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over settings in the left-hand menu and select reading. Under your homepage displays, choose latest post if it's not already selected. Now your homepage will automatically show your latest post in reverse chronological order. It means the newest one will be shown at the top. Let's check it. And here you can see all our posts. The latest post at the top, including the featured image, categories and excerpt, followed by the older post. So this is how you can set your post as homepage, keeping your content fresh and easily accessible for the visitors. But what if you want a dedicated blog page to display all your posts? In the next video, I will show you how to set up a blog page and add it to your navigation menu so visitors can easily find your content. So stay tuned for it. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos.